thick shampoo no glue slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last video is also remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some good ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make thick soap slime that is just like a no glue slime recipe. So the ingredients you guys need to make this slime recipe is any type of thick soap. I have this one and also this one in the container. You guys will also need a bowler plate to make your slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing tool. So I'm first going to get out my bowler plate and I'm going to get adding in my soaps. So I'm using this one by Soft Soap. This one is super thick and I used it in my last video. So that looks like just enough. And now I'm using a little bit of this other soft soap. It's just soap, as you can see, it's super runny. And I'm going to add that right into here. I had it in a container because I tried this out for another no glue slime recipe. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is I'm going to get mixing both of the soaps together until it's super thick and bubbles are forming. That is enough mixing. You can see it got super cloudy and it has all bubbles formed all around it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about an hour and a half, and every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out, mix it up, and see how it's working. And if it's not working, make sure you put it back into the refrigerator for a little bit longer. So I'll see you guys in about a second. Okay guys, so it's been about an hour and a half and here it is. I mixed it up before taking it out and you can see it's super, super bubbly and it formed pretty well. I'm going to zoom out the camera just a little bit so you can see it just a bit better. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how it turned out, so let's take a look at this. And oh my gosh, this formed super well. I can already tell by just mixing it up a bit. I'm just going to try putting it on the counter. I usually don't do this, but it looks pretty thick. Yeah, this formed slime. I can tell right away. I can actually feel the little beads that was in the soft soap because it's an exfoliator. And it feels super nice. It feels amazing, and it feels like it's going to be an awesome slime. I'm going to mix it up a little bit, so I'll see you guys in about a second after I keep mixing it up. Okay, so here is it after mixing it up just a little bit, and you can see it got super, super foggy. It's like almost like a white color, which is so strange because I only mixed it up for a little bit. But this turned into a super thick slime that works amazing, and I hope you guys try it out. That was Sarah. Sarah's hi, my twin sister. But yeah, this slime is amazing and thick. It's still very, very sticky, and it got super foggy, more foggy even from when I mixed it. But this recipe is awesome, and I hope you guys try it out. I really like this recipe, and it works amazing with this type of soap by Soft Soap. Yeah, but I'm not sponsored by it or anything, but it works amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector. In the comments down below, give us some new ideas. Bye guys, I love you so much, and peace, and thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!